Welcome back to Insights with the Manager. My name is Wise, and with me is
Cool Benjamin.
Alright. So in today's conversation on Insights with the Manager, we'll be discussing about client-customer relationship, how to navigate through the challenges and building trust. Okay, without further ado, Benjamin, can you tell us how you would define trust in the context of customer and client relationship?
Well, trust is the confidence that the client has on you that you deliver to their expectation.
Okay. Alright. So you said the confidence that a client has on you that you deliver. So how do you get this confidence? How do they get this confidence in you?
Well, you see, in every business, for you to have trust from your clients or your customers, you need to have stood the test of time, which is having a proper track record. Your track record is what a new client will see and make them to believe that yes, you can deliver.
Okay.
And what comes along with track record is also what customers review. When they've seen what you've done and what people see about the service or product that you deliver, they will afterwards they will tend to trust you.
Okay, so it's like giving them
something to believe, something to look out for.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright. So in that case, trust is more like something you build over time.
Yes.
Okay, it's a feeling that is built over time. So you can't just see someone now and doesn't just say I trust you. It's like a glitch. Because the person has not known you yet enough to say they trust you, and they've not had any experience with you to say they trust you. So they need to have seen something.
That's why I wrote sometimes that the structure you have is what builds confidence or trust in your client.
Alright. So the next thing we'll be discussing is can you share some personal experiences where trust played a pivotal role in your business?
Well, I've been in graphics for over 7 years now, and during the course of my work, I've actually had clients from all parts of life. But there's this one particular story I actually want to share with you.
Okay, please do.
You see, there was a client that was referred to me, and they actually wanted a job. The job is a big job though, it's a big project. And he was skeptical about depositing the 70% that I normally charge for prospective clients or my clients. So he was skeptical, but because of the fact that I have a track record of person I've even done bigger projects for, he had to actually give me the job to handle for him.
Okay.
So I didn't have a track record or past jobs that I've done that I even bigger than what he's even giving to me. He would have been trusted me with the job.
Yeah, so the trust came from
my past jobs. Okay, when I've done for years. Alright, so you need to have a track record as a business person.
Okay. Okay, the next thing here says how do you strike balance between meeting client expectation and setting realistic goals and boundaries?
Well, one of the things you look out for when striking balance and realistic goals is what understanding your client's expectations.
Exactly.
You see, most clients, they already know what they want from you, but the way they present it might not be clear to you. So you have to understand that this is what you actually want before diving into the project.
Okay.
You see, like in fashion, I know you've read this trend, like what I order versus what I got. And then the popular thing I wear is very common. So for you not to have that kind of scenario between you and your client, you need to understand your client's expectation. If you know your client expectation is more than what you can offer, it's better you tell the person from the start.
Okay, so that's where transparency comes in.
Yes. You need to be transparent, you need to be open.
Okay.
You need to be clear with your conversation with the person.
So they can see what you can and what
Yes, what you can.
because I know sometimes clients their expectations are so high.
Yes, definitely.
And the expectations are so high and to an extent unrealistic. So you have to show them what is
What is realistic? Yes, what is achievable?
yes.
That's why sometimes you also need to educate your client.
Okay.
Yes. Like say for instance, I said I've been in graphics for over 7 years now.
Okay.
Some clients will come to you, they need to make their comparison of all the things they are selling and all the things they are doing. They are selling cosmetics, shoes, bag, all sort of things. And you want all these things to be completed into your logo. Of which that will make the logo to be clumsy and not attractive. So what I tend to do when I have clients like this, I tend to educate them on what the meaning of logo and how logo is something that actually makes your brand to stand out. So after educating them on logo, they tend to say, oh, you are right. Wow. So they think, okay, no problem. Just do, you know.
Wow, nice way to strike a balance. Yeah, nice way to strike a balance. Educate your
clients. Yes.
Okay. And also be transparent to them.
Yes.
But the next
so there's something I want to add, and that's about having negotiation with your clients. Sometimes you see we have big expectations, but what I need to pay for
it's low.
So you need to have this negotiation with them, breaking down each step, which is the scope of the project there, and why the cost of it is like this. So you need to have this negotiation with your client as well.
And I think even after the negotiation, you can still encourage them because their budget for that project might not be as high as maybe what you charge for the complete package. So you could educate them on just getting few necessary packages also. Few necessary things in that package that their money can afford at that particular time.
Yeah.
So well, they are buoyant enough financially to go for the full package. You know that you've also secured them already.
Yeah.
Alright, so I think the last question here says is trust. If trust is broken, can it be repaired?
Well,
It's just a simple a straight up answer we need here. And but will also tell us your reason for saying or your answer.
Well, trust can, when broken,
Yes.
can be regained, but it's not regained to that capacity as it was before. That's what you need to know.
So I think
It can be regained, but not that capacity
as it were.
as it was before.
Alright.
So, and one of the ways in which you can actually regain a broken trust is what? Accepting that you actually heard. Accepting you're wrong.
Okay.
Because not accepting you're wrong shows that you still believe that they are right. And when you keep on doing that, you can't regain that trust. Accept you're wrong and you apologize for it. Take for instance, you told your client you were supposed to deliver the job on a Tuesday.
Okay.
And you deliver the job on a Friday. You've broken the trust of the person.
Yes.
So what you do, you need to accept that yes, actually delayed your job, accept it, and you apologize sincerely. Then you work on your commitment. As a business person, you work on your commitment.
Yes.
Yes. You still more committed to that your client. Trying to deliver subsequent jobs on time, even before the deadline.
Okay, I think this brings us back to where we just came from, saying we should set achievable goals. Stuff we know we can do.
Yes, we can make it
because there are some jobs that can come in like that, and you know this thing you cannot deliver within the specific time that this customer wants it or that this client wants it. When you just go ahead to accept it because you want
the funds you may now.
That's what, just be realistic and be transparent with your time.
Yes.
If it's something you can deliver within that time, you say yes, you can deliver within this time. Something you can't, you say it's something I cannot do at this particular time. something I will need extra
Yes.
2 days or an extra hour to do.
I'm going to regain trust is you need to be patient with your client because you've broken their trust. So it takes time to work to regain the trust.
First.
So you need to be patient. I need to have a kind of a middle in the demand in the video that this person tells your client, okay, he has actually you're being a third party to negotiate on behalf. Anyways, and that third party might be from your previous client.
Alright.
Yeah. So
Alright, so that will be all for today. And if you just tuned in, this is Insights with the Manager, and I still remain Wise, your host, and with me,
Benjamin.
Alright, the next time, cheers.